Go home. Nobody not tell you the truth. Go home, Emmy. Nobody never know. All of a sudden, baby mother a come out. If this is planned, why baby mother a come out now? And a series, a planet plan, and the baby mother know about it. No, you know about Lando's baby mother. She has been hearing about you. So this is a whole different argument and no content. A relationship problem this. Lando try hide you and I try hide the baby mother and can't. Let me tell you now, I want the whole lot to go back to my videos them what I did do. And you still not find the people that did try trash me in stating what I stated about Emily and Lando. Wanna go back. You understand me? Wanna go back, go look on it. When I tell you that these people are deceivers and them no want work and the girl them a sacrifice and they make themselves available only for come back come talk. Let me say this. It is no series between Emmy and Lando. It is no series. Need to be in a situation like this. It's embarrassing. I'm telling you this every day. All who no want to sit down and chat me, I will forever stand in my truth. Them boy I use number one, Lando no want nobody. Lando don't want nobody. Nobody. Somebody say me jealous. Me not do girl, so me can't jealous. Come with a different word. If me do girl now, you could have say me jealous. But me not do girl, my baby. Me not do girl. Remember me no want Emmy and me no want the baby mother. My worst no want Lando cause him soft like me. Remember? Here? Remember, so when you come about me jealous, find another word, my friend. That not gonna work for me. Lando no look like my type. So me can't want him. That out of the race, period. You understand me? And the two females, they may have the same thing with them have cocky puller. So when you come and you come talk, it no work this so with me. Me, Lando baby mother, Emmy, we have the things we call for body. We have the cocky puller between our foot. So no envy not there. So Lando look like the whole of his sister. Me not ask you. Him look like his sister. Him soft, him girly. Him is just everything for a batty man. Yeah, for sure. Me not ask you. It's just the truth. So me no want nothing this so. And I'm not supposed to know that by now. Yeah. Me no want nothing this so. So when I not talk, I'm not ready yet. Yeah? Me just attack when I see it's embarrassing, but the whole of una girl, una like lay down and play dead. Remember una sacrifice. Emmy, it don't look good because the whole of Jamaican will chat you. We Jamaican take a rig, we will chat you, Emmy, it don't look good. This is not a plus on your side. Don't make no boy dog easy. Don't make no boy dog easy. Yeah? Me not ask you should turn back from the first night. Jaden said, so you know sex it and send it home. You should go home. We are of no good, Emmy. We are of no good. You can't sit down there, Emmy. Let me tell you this woman to woman. Never you come in a boy town and defend him as an outside girl. You have a shame. Never you come in a boy town and defend him as an outside girl. Them not tell you this, you know? They are not telling you this. Never you come in a boy town and defend him as an outside girl. And you are going to get the left. No care what. A 14 plane you take come for the series. I celebrate me, Lando, Emmy. Let me say this to you, Emmy. You notice I'm not even make preparation for you come? You notice? What does that say? Can't be series. If I did ever series, nobody not having us power couple. So no, we never anticipate your arrival at the airport. And this is not a disrespect. This is just the truth. You understand me? He's not the series individual. He's not even at Panda app. So how it be series? How it must be series? Emmy, your favorite idiot out here. Honestly to God. Me see it before them see it. So they might not see it yet. Or your surrounding might not tell you. But me see it. Your favorite idiot. For a beautiful young lady. No make no boy dog easy. You get what me I say? Go home, Emmy. Save the little. You see the little fame where you have and dignity and pride. Go on home with it. Nobody waste it out here. I said this before, you know. I said this before and I will forever say it again. You see, by your fruits we shall know you. You see, faith without work is dead. And when we see your arrival and we see his presentation, there wasn't any thought put into it. That simple means where you stand in his life is chaotic. Your stand in his life is chaotic. You're too young to be battling out first place. You don't need to go home, Emmy. At the end of the day, it's never going to look bad on him. You are such a beautiful young lady. You look promising. Go home. All with the internet wants to say, it better you don't trend and have your dignity than trend without your dignity. This not last long. All I wanna do it not even go 9 days, much less 9 months. And people need for hold Lando accountable. You can't have young ladies and you come with your face and you are going, where you gonna address me say? And that me that want to know. Because you forgot to address the rusty zinc and the green zinc where govern behind you. And that me why you turn on and look on the green and the rust. No, me not cuss them, but more Emmy go home. No man. Sometimes what art follow all. It's true, go home. Save your little pride and dignity. No make no man use you for rob the app. No make no man dog ears you. No make no man dog ears you. He has another life. He has another life. So diamond and figure it out there. So you can't tell me say, all if a series you have some attachment in your feelings towards Lando. All if a series it's only a man could have get you come. So as it series when him go it never make no sense. I did series when him go Africa go look for you. Cause the series drop flop bop bloop blip blop. So if a series, why when him go the series flop? Why you think it go catch up when you come? Eh? So Emmy, I want to ask you a personal question, woman to woman. That's why I say if you go back home because you get the end of the stick in. I want to ask you a personal question. All of you come out and the baby mother try justify and talk about, you know, we come to some form of conclusion, we come to some agreement that it is going to be. We never do a series with a journey from him baby mother. Because we don't like that little boy and all take care and pick them for shame all heap of adults. Come now, I never do a series with him baby mother. Why him put on him baby mother and take up you? You know things that have more story than him hide him relationship and him private life. I'm sure you in the public now, for Jamaican people them say, you come from Africa, you're hungry. Come on, this no look good. Nobody not tell you, my baby. Not even mackerel tell you. Go on your yard. Go on your yard, my baby. Do. Save the little pride where you have leave. Go on. Because when you can't tell me say you alone take 40 Levantine plane to come look for man. And when you come look for man, from your land of Jamaica, pure embarrassment you get and pity. Pure embarrassment and pity. And me I try point that out from the very first day you land. And we see the pillar case. And we see the pillar them. Eh? Like it leave evidence in our head. From the very first day you land, where I tell you say, it no look good for you, go home my baby. Don't make nobody dog you out. Jamaican men not have nothing for offer. Trust me. And then Lando sit down on the internet so with him face when he might beg and him think he might use, you know, he might cook outside. Why Lando never video him baby mother outside when he might cook outside and I feed him baby mother and him unborn child? Why never do all of that? That is good TV. That is good TV for your little boy. So why you must come here now when I eat outside and can't bite the fufu with your hand? Sorry, the dumpling with your hand. Why? These are the stuff I'm trying to tell all of una girl out there. When a man have tights to somebody or a girl have tights to somebody, they will not use them but they will use you. Go on home. Go home. Africa is the motherland. Go on back to mommy. Go on home. Africa is the motherland. Show us the way. Show us the way, because I want to go. Oh Jesus. I slackness this more. No, it's not about how she want to live her life. The females, them around her for carry car, man. Everything will mash up. Everything Jamaicans mash up. We're coming like melon juice. We spoil everything. It is embarrassing. If it had been Lando who had gone to Africa and Emmy in this big alabaloo and Emmy live like oh Lando live in Africa, we'd have tell Lando, we'd have start GoFundMe. We'd have start GoFundMe, and it's just the truth. You can't make them kill this boy. You look good for your expense. You have your future. Don't get away. Don't waste your years of your time with no boy. Other body out there were better than this. From you come here eat fufu with spoon and with hand. You not living a life. Me never got foreign for live Jamaican life. Me never got foreign for live Jamaican life. Me never. So I could come at Jamaica, come and live African life. Me never do it. And everybody want to justify. It's a culture where she used to. I wish she can't go out. First and foremost, put me on summer with AC. Jamaica had El Nino sun that come up now. We get El Nino and Saharan. Yes, so all the things that hit Jamaica. Emmy, no make nobody tell you nothing. Are you alone, me say? I know long me not see them journey after about it. Are you alone, me say take 14 plane for khaki? Are you alone, you gifted? And nobody no want to see what me I say because oh leave the boy alone, man. I'll able with Louis Bennett, with Queen pubic ear perfume front, from teeth, all him, able with it for eat down Queen, him near mouth Louis and a mine Queen. From Louis drop him, Queen gonna leave him. Them no say them in a position. Them no say them in a position for talk about nobody. Look how much things K do for 10 and who 10 take up? A veterinarian. Him take up a vet. What does that say? When you see the things them are repeating on the eye over and over. Of course Abel is a nobody. And the thing when me never like when Maya say, I mean now go be biased. When Maya talk about leave the people alone, they are in love. Why Maya never find TJ in our old broke down house? I take TJ when him at the conductress. That is always my problem. Why Maya don't take a man who don't have nothing since it's love and it's okay. Everybody will have something to say as it relates to the argument. They would never do it. So we sit down and we say, Emmy go on home. I am not I not cuss you, I not tear you down, and I not bring you down. But Emmy, may I tell you how we Jamaicans stay, and this is just the truth and it's an eye-opener. You see, anybody where they run you where I tell you say no pay this a mine and that the mine and your man. Emmy, if I me like you as my African sister, me run them. If you don't know God, run them in a something else. Run them. Let me tell you, they are the same one who are going to turn on and tell you every single thing when me just a talk about. Everything when me a talk about, later on on the app, if them not cuss you, them are going to cuss your man about it. You never know. That's how we stay. You don't know where you're thinking about you're going to know us. People not start dig down in it, you know. They must say, Emmy, if you know say Lando having baby mother, why you never come out and talk something from early? Cause this is not a series. That series they are too close. It's closer than Akeem and Rosalie. Me now ask. At the internet did have to put Rosalie in Akeem house. Me now ask you. We put Rosalie in Akeem house. And I know I don't think Rosalie got Akeem yard good. Not even 5 times Akeem find somewhere put her where him can come. What does that say? So all this CB series, Emmy, 14 playing. All this CB series. Don't make no man dog you out. Jaden a laugh off of you. My man they a laugh off of you. The one with the chandelier in the bottom. I forgot his name now. Him a laugh off of you. Cause everybody a laugh off of you. Everybody a laugh off of you. Don't think TikTok now laugh at you. You think you will get credit? You think none of them respect you? They only respect you through them want to show Lando safe face. None of them no respect you. And you must know that. You must know that. And this is what I'm not saying to you. And a bad mackerel look, you know. And a bad mackerel look. A smart mackerel smart. And a bad mackerel look because them boy are not get no crutches and them woman ugly. And a filter you can look on them with a quint. Or a pirate. You never know. Go home. Nobody now tell you the truth. Go home, Emmy. Nobody never know. All of a sudden, baby mother are come out. If this is planned, why baby mother are come out now? And a series, a planet plan, and the baby mother know about it. No, you know about Lando's baby mother. She has been hearing about you. So this is a whole different argument than on a content. A relationship problem this. Lando try hide you and I try hide the baby mother and can't hide nothing. And if Lando explained to you that he has a baby mother, me wouldn't take Lando for a little boy like that, having a baby mother or two babies or one baby. Me couldn't take him. Go focus on your career since you have out your future. It is sad and sickening. And this is a tunnel that all our young ladies are go down. So it's when a man dog you out or a man diss you like how me class no for uno, accept it. Accept it. You might not have done anything like some of these girls, but remember you back their stories. Accept it. That's why a man not have no love and respect for no for uno girl. Because snap your finger girl I roll with me. Yeah. It's just a snap of the finger. And it's just the truth. And when me talk now, no say me this. Somebody come up here and say me envious. Me jealous, sorry, me jealous. Jealous of what? Jealous of what? Wouldn't like the truth and the Bible talks about it. Yeah, anytime when I hear the truth, when I go cray. Yeah, standard drop. Standard drop. Yeah, you see say your man living at the dark kennel. The dark kennel, and you drop your standard. If you go lay down in the dark kennel, let me tell you something. One thing with me, no promoter boy or no promoter girl, nah buy my show and put me in a sex shop. You mad? Shebada, you know me want your show? Alright? Yeah, book way. What we are still? Boy, you want to say now, go a lie your tail, go suck your mother. Your mother, you now put me in a sex shop. And which part I live comfortable anywhere me I rest my head. You see, anywhere me rest my head, and you put me somewhere for go lay down, have to be 10 times better than where me I stay. Me not ask you. Me not ask you. Me not drop my standard because of cash. Me not drop my standard because of coin. Me not take 40 Levitine plane come lay down in our Mr. Exposed on the app with Rosalie. Me not come lay down in a garbage pan. Me not make no boy go say to me say, you understand me? Say to me say, boy is a true girl, go suck your mama. Oh, me no want be true to no broke pocket boy. My friend always say she no suck broke man hood. Yeah, she say a broke boy can't get him body suck. My friend always says so. It's just a pity me suck what if. Sometimes when she says something she actually would for me, you know. Cause I don't know how me never all a reason and she gone there so. A hypocrite, you know? Yeah man, my friend a hypocrite. Yeah, but nevertheless, that person gone. Yeah. Emmy go home. Jamaica not gonna like you after this. Go home. Your man love too much money. Your man love too much money. Me hate a boy we fixated for money. Me hate a boy we fixated for money. And so your man love too much money. Go home, Emmy. Go home. Yeah, your man love too much money. Me not care when the girl wants say any other boy I look me and my sister him love down to the $1 kind. Me can't deal with you. Me can't deal with you. Yeah, me never get nothing from you because you love money more than me. Yeah, me never get nothing from you. I saw you born, you know. You born a thump your mother clit. Your hand never open, you never swing pan it. Exactly. And you see, we as a people, we don't take care of females. And the whole of we want to say, the whole of them want to say them straight. And them don't take care of females. they don't take care of females. Oh, if you have a woman and you know say you're catty that she stretch your cocky, and you rather use her, I'm telling you, this relationship is packed with pure competition.